why you are not doing these amazing data science projects. How many months or years has it been since your resume got shortlisted? Stop repeating the same process doing now and watch this video till the end to get the best and unique data science project ideas that can make a real difference. Hi, my name is Chaitanya and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share 10 amazing data science project ideas with you. I will explain what each project is about, the key features, the tools you need, and what kind of result you can expect from these projects. These projects will help your resume to stand out and impress recruiter. So don't skip this video and watch till end. Now I will tell you the best 10 data science projects to land a six-figure job in 2025. Let's go. First project is about personalized health recommendation system. This project is all about creating a small system that helps healthier life by giving them customized health and wellness recommendation. Imagine an app or a tool that looks at your data like what you eat, what you exercise, how well you sleep, or even your medical history. What you should do to stay healthier or improve your life. If you can use data while wearable devices like smartwatches or fitness bands, it can make your system even more accurate and advanced. This device tracks things like heart rate, steps, and sleep patterns, which can improve a lot of useful information for your project. Tools you need for this project: first is Python. This will be the main programming language to deploy the system. Second is TensorFlow to create machine learning model that analyze the data and give recommendation. Next are Python libraries, that is pandas, for optimizing, for organizing and cleaning users data. And next is Matplotlib to visualize trends like showing how the user health is improving over time. And last is healthcare APIs to fetch additional data like medical guidelines or fitness metrics. Talking about the key features of this project, the first key feature is about health categorization. Use a machine learning model to divide user into different health groups such as active, sedentary, or at risk. For example, if someone's data shows that they are not getting enough sleep and have high stress level, the system can mark them and at risk and provide special advice. Next key feature is customized recommendations. Suggest diet plan based on the user's activity level and preferences. For example, if someone doesn't exercise much, recommend a light diet that's rich in protein and low in carbons. Provide fitness routines like yoga for stress relief or cardio for weight loss. Give tips to improve sleep based on their sleep patterns, such as go to the bed either or reduce screen time before sleeping. And last key feature is early disease detection. By analyzing pattern in the user's data, the system can flag warning signs for common issues like diabetes, heart problems, or obesity. For example, if a user heart rate data from a smartwatch shows irregular pattern, the system can recommend seeing a doctor. What you can achieve from this project or what will be your outcome? Let's talk about it. This project will show that you understand healthcare data and know how to use it in practical ways. It proves that you can build a system that solves real life problems and have a positive impact. In today's world, healthcare analytics is highly demanding in skill, and this project will make your resume stand out, whether it's for a job in health tech company or any data science role. This project shows that you can combine technical skills with creativity to create something truly valuable. So don't miss to do this project if you are entering in healthcare domain or any medical domain. Next project is about AI powered legal summarizer. Let's talk what is this project about. Legal documentation are often filled with complicated language that is hard for most of the people to understand. This project simplifies by creating a tool that summarizes these documents in plain, easy to read language. It can also include features where users can ask specific questions about the clauses and get clear answers. To do this project, you need the tools like first, Hugging Face transformers to handle advanced natural language processing, that is NLP tasks. Next is SpyChat and NLTK for processing and text analysis. Next is Fast API to create a user-friendly web interface. And last is Fast API to create a user-friendly web interface. Talking on the key features of these projects are summarize complex legal text into simple language that anyone can understand. Add a question and answer module where users can type questions like what does clause 3 means and get a clear conclusion answer. Ensure the system mainly the accuracy of legal team while making them simpler. What will you achieve with this project? This project shows that your skill in NLP field is highly demand. It also demonstrates that you can create tools for specific industries like law, which can make you stand out to the employees. Talking about the next project, that is supply chain optimization with predictive analysis. This project is about helping businesses improve their supply chains using predictive analytics. You will create a dashboard that uses past data to predict things like delivery delay and supply chain bottlenecks. The tools you need to do this project is first is Python for building the model. Next is data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau to create interactive dashboard. And last is SkyPy for mathematical optimization. Talking about the key features of this project that are predict delivery times and possible delay based on the historical data and current conditions. Visualize supply chain issues like where goods are getting delayed and suggested solution. Provide actionable insight to help businesses save time and money. Talking about the outcome of this project proves your ability to work with business data and use predictive modeling. It's a strong additional to your portfolio, especially if you aiming to roll in business intelligence or supply chain management. Talking about the next project, that is climate impact prediction model. Climate changes is a global issue, and this project helps by predicting its impact. You will build a model that can analyze changes like sea level rise or temperature trends and show how they might affect specific area or industries. To do this project, the tools you need first is Python for building the model, next is XGBoost for advanced machine learning, next is GIS tools like QGIS for mapping geographical data, and last is climate dataset from NOAA and NASA for real world data. Talking about the key features of this project are analyze satellite images and dataset to understand climate patterns, provide predictions for specific scenarios like how will a 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature affects agriculture in India, offer actionable insights to help government or companies prepare for these changes. Talking about the outcome, what will you achieve with this project? This project showcases your ability to work with real world environment data, making it perfect for job in sustainability and environmental analysis. Talking about the next project, that is financial fraud detection system. Fraud is a major issue in finance world, and detection it in real time can save companies and customers from huge losses. In this project, you will build a machine learning system that can identify suspicious transactions as they happens. It can analyze patterns in transaction data to flag anything unusual like sudden large transfer or frequently small payments to new account. To do this project, you need the tools like Python for building and testing your system, PyTorch to create powerful deep learning model, AWS Lombard to deploy your system so it works in real time, and last is Kafka to process large amount of streaming data quickly. Talking about the key features of the project, first is anomaly detection. Use machine learning to detect unusual transactions that may indicate fraud. For example, if a credit card is used in two different countries within minutes, your system can flag it. Next key feature is explaining module. Add a feature that explains why a transaction was flagged as suspicious. For example, it might say unusual location and high amount. And last key feature of this project is real-time analysis. Make sure that the system processes transaction instantly so companies can act quickly. What will you achieve from this project or your outcome from this project? This project shows that you can work with finance data, build robust machine learning model and deploy them in real world system. It's a perfect project for role in finance, data science or cyber security. And if you are looking to get into the finance sector or any currency related sector, this is the perfect project for you. Next project is about AI powered content creation assistant. The project is designed for people in marketing and content creation. It's a AI tool that helps generate ideas for blog posts, social media caption, and even in ad campaigns. It can suggest trends, topics, write drafts, and optimize content for SEO, saving marketers a lots of time and efforts. Tools you need for this project are GPT models for getting high quality text, OpenAI API to access advanced pre-training language models, and last is Flask or Dashgona to create a simple web application for user. Talking about the key features of this project are first is topic suggestion. Based on trending keywords, and popular topics, the system can recommend what type of content users should create. For example, if fitness trending, it might suggest top 5 morning exercise for busy professionals. Next key feature is about content generation. Generate blog outlines, caption for Instagram posts, or add copy that is creative and engaging. And last is SEO optimization. Include features like keyword analysis to ensure the content rank well on search engine. Talking about the outcome, what you will achieve with this project. This project highlight your skill in natural language processing, that is NLP, and your ability to create AI tool for the creative industry. It's a great showcasing how you can use data science to solve real world marketing problems. Talking about the next project, that is customized learning pathway for education platform. Education platforms like Coursera or Byju's need smart system to personalize learning for students. The project focuses on creating a recommendation engine that analyzes a student's performance, interests, and goals to suggest the best learning path for them. The tools you need for this project are TensorFlow to build recommendation model, Flask to deployment and creating a simple interface, and last is PostgreSQL to store and manage student data. Talking about the key features of this project, the first key feature is about personalized recommendation. Use machine learning to suggest course, video, or exercise based on student strength and weaknesses. For example, if a student struggles with algebra, the system can recommend basic algebra course. Second key feature is that the real-time feedback. Provide immediate feedback on performance like you are scored well in this topic. Try the advanced version. And last key feature is the collaborative filtering. Use data from other students, similar preference to make better suggestion. What you will achieve from this project? That is, this project shows you can apply data science in the edtech space, which is growing rapidly. It demonstrates your ability to work with recommendation system and user behavior analytics. Next project is about smart energy usage prediction and optimization. This project is about helping households and industries can save energy and reduce cost. You will create a system that can predict energy usage patterns and suggest way to optimize consumption. For example, it can tell users to avoid running heavy appliances during peak hours. The tools you need for this project are Python for data analysis and modeling, IoT dataset, use data from smart meters or other devices. And last is Propet, tool for real-time forecasting. Talking about the key features of this project are, first is energy usage prediction. Use historical data to predict when energy consumption will high or low. For example, a usage will peak between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Second is optimization suggestion. Provide recommendations like run the washing machine after 9 p.m. to save electricity cost. And last is cost saving analysis. Show users how much money they can save by following the recommendation. What you will achieve from this project are the outcome of this project. This project showcases your skill in IoT and sustainable technology. It's a perfect for roles in energy analysis or smart tech industries. Talking about the next project, that is AI-powered social media analytics tool. This project is designed for businesses and marketers who want to understand social media trends and improve their engagements. It's a tool that analyzes social media posts, detects trends, and provides insight into a sentiment and competitor performance. The tools you need for this project is Python for data processing and analyzing, TP to fetch data from X platform or Twitter and other platforms. And last is Power BI to create dashboard for visualize the data. Talking about the key features of this project, first is trend detection. Identify hashtags, topics, or content type that are trending before they go viral. Next is sentimental analysis. Analyze user reaction to posts such as whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. And last is competitor insight. Provide the data on how competitor can perform, what the strategies they are using. What's the outcome of the project? This project demonstrates your expertise in social media analytics and marketing data science. It's highly relevant for the role in digital marketing on business intelligence. Talking about the last project, that is real-time disaster response system. Disasters like floods, earthquake, or wildfire often happen suddenly, and quickly response can save lives. This project built system that uses social media and real-time news data to detect disaster and provide actionable insight for first responder and relief team. The tools you need for this project, that is Python for building the system, Twitter X API to collect real-time data from social media, and Google Earth Engine to map disaster location. Talking about the key features of this project, the first key feature is disaster detection. Use NLP to analyze tweets, and news articles to identify disasters. For example, if many tweets mention flood in a specific area, the system flags it. Next key feature is geolocation. Pinpoint the disaster location on a map using real-time data. And last is dashboard or responder. Build a user-friendly dashboard that can show affects, area, and urgent need. What's the outcome of this project? This project highlights your ability to work real-time data and create tools with a social impact. It's a perfect showcasing advanced data engineering and NLP skills. That's all about best 10 data science project to do in 2025 to land a six-figure job. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and got some valuable insights. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps my channel. And share this video with your friend who might find it useful. And if you haven't already, make sure subscribe to Chaitanya Data for more amazing content. Also, let me know your thoughts and questions in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Take care and keep learning.